Today we're going to be focusing on information from Chapter 6, which deals with the single most important aspect of the speech writing process. And some of you may be wondering, well, what is that? Is it choosing the topic? Is it conducting research? Well, no. The single most important aspect of a good speaker is that they analyze the audience. That means whenever they are asked to speak, they approach it from an audience-centered perspective. So how do you do that? Well, you have to consider, who is it that I am making this speech to? When you're in class and you're writing an essay, for example, your audience is simply the teacher or the professor. But when you're giving a speech, you have a much broader audience. And so you have to take into consideration the different aspects of the audience. That can include their age, it could include their social class, it could include their gender, it could include their political affiliations or religion. There are so many different aspects that you need to consider when you're thinking about who your audience is. All of that information should play a part in your topic choice, in the examples or the stories that you include in your speech, because you never want to isolate or to offend your audience or anyone in your audience. So you want to think, does my topic appeal to this specific age group that I'm speaking to? Does it include examples that both males and females would relate to? Unless I'm asked to speak at an occasion where I know that my audience is all one gender, that's an important factor. You also want to keep in regard any cultural differences that may be between you and the audience. If you're speaking to a mixed culture or mixed race crowd, then there are certain things you don't want to do, so again, you don't offend them. Okay? All of these factors are very important as you plan out your speech. The other thing that you need to think about is, will my topic be something completely new to the audience? Or is it something that they're already familiar with? If it's something totally new, it's easier to pull people into your ideas and topics. However, if it is something that is sort of more commonly known or something that you think they've already heard about, you have to find a very creative and unique way to have a spin to that topic and to throw that spin in early enough in the speech so you hook them and keep them wanting to hear more. That is all very important. So how do you find out that information? The textbook will tell you there are different ways that you can do this. It just depends on what scenario you're asked to give a speech in. For the purposes of this class, you can assume that you have a mixed gender group. You can assume that people have strong political or religious views, so you might want to stay away from those types of topics. You can assume that that we're dealing with an adult crowd, that the audience is going to be, of your classmates, is going to be college age or older. So those are some things that you can sort of assume and build into your speech. If you were asked to give a speech at a different place, then you could do other things such as conducting interviews of the person that asked you to give the speech, and maybe they can give you some insight as to who will be in your audience. You could also conduct your own survey, or you could consult published sources where you research online the company, for example, that you are asked to speak at. Figure out what's their mission, what are the values of that company, and make sure that your speech runs in line with that. So keep in mind, any speech that is effective in nature, the speaker has done a thorough audience analysis. And that is something you always want to do. So keep that in mind as you move forward.